Mabuhay! From the beautiful city of Manila, I'm back, Wetzel, from the channel Fragrance RX. And today I'll be reviewing a fragrance which you should already know by now if you're a fan of Creed's Silver Mountain Water. And it's none other than Rasasi Al Wisam Day, so stay tuned. For the presentation of Rasasi Al Wisam Day, it has a very elegant bottle design. It resembles the different infrastructures of the Middle East. The additional chrome top and cap makes it look nice. However, this chrome top is somehow flimsy and the cap doesn't lock into place firmly, so if I were you, I will not try to carry this fragrance by the cap. On the front, we can see Rasasi, the house, Al Wisam Day Pour Homme. It is 100 ml, 3.3 fluid ounce. On the bottom, we can see other information regarding this fragrance. It is an eau de parfum concentration. On the top of the cap, we can see it has an Arabic text. For the spray, it sprays a decent amount of juice. And that's for the presentation of Rasasi's Al Wisam Day. The notes of Al Wisam Day are as follows. For the top, we have bergamot, lavender, and geranium. In the middle, we have rose, clary sage, sandalwood, and cedarwood. While on the base, we have amber, musk, oak moss, and oud. I compared Silver Mountain Water and Al Wisam Day side by side, and I can say that they are 90% identical. To an untrained nose, I believe they will not be able to tell any difference. The one thing I like about Al Wisam Day is its added rose note, which I can say brightens up the fragrance. Yes, Al Wisam Day has added rose, but this doesn't make this one a floral fragrance. I also compared Al Wisam Day to its rival Al Rehab Silver, and I can say that Al Wisam Day beats Al Rehab Silver. Why? Because with Al Rehab Silver, you will literally smell like metal. However, with Al Wisam Day, it's Silver Mountain Water with a touch of rose. Al Wisam Day is a very linear fragrance. From its opening to the mid and to the dry down, it still smells Silver Mountain Water with a touch of rose. Al Wisam Day also beats Silver Mountain Water by the price, the longevity, the performance. Al Wisam Day is perfect for office, school, and casual wearing. For the compliments, I did get a compliment. One classmate of mine told me that he smelled me 2 to 3 feet in the hallway, and I asked him, "Did you smell rose?" And he said yes. And in my mind, I was thinking, oh, it is the Al Wisam Day. Let's go now to the rating of Al Wisam Day. For the smell, I give it a 10 out of 10 because it's a great clone of Silver Mountain Water. For the uniqueness, I give it a 7 out of 10 because it's still a clone of Silver Mountain Water. For the performance, I give it a 10 out of 10 because it lasts for about 12 hours easily. For the projection, I give it a 10 out of 10 because it projects for about 4 to 5 hours. For the sillage, I give it a 10 out of 10 because it leaves a decent scent trail, about 3 to 4 feet. Overall rating for Al Wisam Day, I give it a 9 out of 10. Why 9 out of 10 and not 10 out of 10? The only factor that I'm considering of not making it a 10 out of 10 is that it's still a clone of Silver Mountain Water. The final question is Al Wisam Day prescription worthy? Definitely yes. If you're looking for something cheaper, performs better, lasts longer than Silver Mountain Water, then look no further. Go ahead and grab Rasasi's Al Wisam Day. It's blind buy worthy. What are your thoughts on Al Wisam Day? Do you own Silver Mountain Water and Al Wisam Day? Again, leave your comments below and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Fragrance RX. Again, this is Wedzel from the channel Fragrance RX, your fragrance doctor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and God bless.